In this section we'll be looking at manual and automatic scheduling. We'll be looking at manual scheduling, automatic scheduling, as well as changing scheduling mode. So an important concept to understand in Microsoft projects is manual and automatic scheduling, and you'll be able to choose between these two scheduling modes as well as using a combination of both. So by default, when you open Microsoft Project, it will set the tasks as manual scheduling, as you can see at the bottom here in the status bar. This means that you need to set all the task details yourself, so you need to enter the duration, the start and the finish date. For my project, I am organising a party, so if I manually schedule some of my tasks, so for my party I need to organise the venue, I need to do the invitations, I need to do the food supplies and the entertainment, as well as having the party itself. In manual scheduling, you can notice here that the icon looks like this, and you can see there's actually a question mark next to it, which means that you need to provide some more information in Microsoft Project. So it's asking you to fill in the duration, the start and the finish date. So manually scheduling is really good for short projects with less dependencies and when the time frame is not so clear. However, one of the benefits of using Microsoft Project is the ability for it to automatically calculate your schedule. And it will do this based on the task dependencies, the constraints and the calendars which you have set. So it's always important to do this first before entering any information on your tasks. So if you'd like to change your tasks, just highlight them. If you go up to the auto schedule button up here in the task tab, it will automatically schedule your tasks. And you can see that actually the duration is set to 1 day. However, because we haven't provided any information, it's got a question mark there. Automatic scheduling is really good if you have a lot of subtasks and a lot of tasks which you would like to update on a regular basis. And this means that project will automatically schedule them based on your dependencies and the information you provide. However, if you want to change some of these tasks to manual scheduling, you can use a combination of both. And there's different ways of doing this. You can click on the task itself, and then within the task tab just click on the manual schedule button or automatic schedule button. Alternatively, you can just select in the task mode column what task you would like to set it as. So that's given you a little bit of insight into manual and automatic scheduling, and we'll be looking into this in a bit further detail in later videos.